Hi friends, it's Anna here today and welcome to my sewing room. I am a sewist that loves to sew, and right now I sew in the back of a camper. I'm so happy you're here, and if you're not already following, make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of my sewing tutorials. I do a lot of free sewing tutorials and a lot of just fun behind the scenes sewing updates like this one today. Today, I'm going to do an update on all the sewing that I had planned for this week and let you know what I actually sewed up. Let's get started. All right. You all know last week I posted a video of all the things that I wanted to sew up, and it was a little bit, what was the word? It was a lot. And I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get it all done. And I had really good intentions, but things don't always work out the way they are supposed to. We've had a fire in our county, which had spread quite a bit. And so the place I work at became a Red Cross shelter. So that kind of made things a little bit hard for me to do. But at the beginning of the week, I did get some sewing done, and I'm going to show you just exactly what I did and tell you what is coming your way. Now, I don't have it here, and I forgot about it until just now. I think I put it in my closet already. Okay, the first thing I made, I'm posting a picture here, is my self-drafted skirt. If you have not checked out that video, make sure you do so. That is already posted on my channel. It was a skirt I made actually just using my measurements, and I created it because I wanted to make like a cover-up skirt. But this can be made with any fabric, and I think it would be so cute any length as well. You can make it a shorty, you can make it, well, shorty, which is a mini, or you can make it knee length, or you can make it midi, whatever, or the maxi like I made it. And I think, and it is super quick and super easy. So I made that one right away because I had been talking about making that skirt forever and I had not made it yet. Now, the second thing I made is something that I can't really quite show you yet because it's not yet out. It was a tester, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek. It's right here. It's got this beautiful fabric here. It's got, let me turn it right side out because right now it's inside out, and straps, shirring in the back, woven fabric. I can't wait to show that to you. So that is coming. It's a new pattern that is being released hopefully soon, so you'll be seeing that. And then I got to some other projects. So something that you're going to be able to see a video that's coming soon. I mentioned that I wanted to make some underwear, and so I did do that, and I made a couple, different kinds. So I made a high-waisted kind, I made a mid-waist, and then I made a lower waist, which is my favorite, with the ruching on the back right here. It is super cute. And then I made ones with my zigzag stitch on my sewing machine. So I show you that as well, how you can make it all in the sewing machine. So that's a video that's going to be coming up here soon to my channel. So I'll be adding that. So if you were in the lookout for like an underwear pattern that's quick and easy and try to see if that's something that you even want to make, that's coming. So I finished those. I made 4 of them on that day. And then another one that I did that I was super excited about, and this one is coming to the Ellie and Mac YouTube channel here soon. I made the Not So Basic pants. I made 3 pants 3 ways in one day. So I made the legging version. I made a straight leg version of like dressier pants, which I think are going to be so cute. I have not even tried them on, so you're going to have to watch that video to see the try on. And then I made a ruffle version. See the ruffles at the bottom. So cute. I'm so excited about it. This is the same pattern. It's one pattern made 3 different ways with 3 different fabrics. So I think that's going to be super cute. I can't wait to show you that. And I think that's all I made this week. All in all, I sewed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces this week. So I think that's a win. I know that I had a list a mile long of things I wanted to sew, and I want to get to those this week. I'm hoping that things calm down a little bit this week and I am able to do a lot of sewing this week. And so I'm going to catch up on that list. And if you did not see that list last week, make sure you go check it out to see what other things are coming. I do have the fabric right here, and a lot of it is already cut out and ready to go. So I cannot wait to get into it because I already have other ideas of other things that I want to do aside from the things that I talked to you about last week. So I'm super excited. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of these tutorials that are coming along or many more that are coming. I hope you have a great beginning of the week. Happy Sunday. And I am wearing right now a poppy dress by Made for Mermaids, if you were wondering, and I'm getting ready to go to church. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your week. And don't forget to comment, like, share, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.